Hey, welcome back to my workshop. I'm Chris Walton, being a Craftsman. Thank you for watching this video. This is kind of like a trailer to this channel, but it's also for those of you watching this right now at the date that it's been published. This is a welcome back to my workshop. I've been out of the workshop for about a month and a half because I had some surgery. I had a hernia surgery, so I was going through lots of stuff, lots of transition stuff with that, and having some downtime. So that time is done and over, and I'm back at it. And boy, this year do I have some exciting stuff to tell you about. This year I'm doing a lot of things that for me are a first for me. So I'm going to finally have my own website. It's already in the works, but you'll hear more about that later in the year. Also, I'm going to have some more contests. I'm going to be starting to give away some of these things that I'm making. And as we speak right now, there is one item that I will be giving away because it's already been done. So be on the lookout for that. Also, I have a show that I'm going to be producing here on this channel. And the title of it, it's not too creative. It's not something you're going to go, oh, wow, I never thought about that. But I'm not going to tell you quite yet. It's still in the works. I am recording episodes. It will be done as seasons. So every season is going to have 6 episodes. When they're done, I'll put them out. And then we'll do another season. So it's going to be really cool. I'm really excited. And I've already got two episodes done. And get ready to work on a third. So that is coming as well. So just got a lot of cool stuff. I've got some tool reviews. I've got some collaborations I'm going to be working with. I'm going to be working with a really cool app that you use on your phone. Teaming up with them to do some giveaways. So I'm excited about that as well. This year is going to be phenomenal. So if you haven't already and all this stuff sounds exciting to you, please subscribe and hit that notification bell to get future notifications of every single video that I put out. And as I always say, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.